Hi, welcome to Rob's video here on the 350 Sun Odyssey. This replaces the 349. That's been a very popular boat for the last 10 years from Jeanneau, and this Sun Odyssey is following similar lines and design of its sister boats, the 440, the 410, the 490, with this big step down swept side deck here, which allows a lot more space and access around the side of the boat. This boat also has a 3 or 2 cab version like the 349. It has a much deeper anchor well. It's also got windows in the bow section, so you've got forward windows in the forward berth, which is a nice extra feature. It's got twin wheel option with a drop down rear platform and a really nice open spacious cockpit. Let's have a look inside. So here in the galley we still get the U-shape galley. Got a sink, fridge, gimbaled gas oven and cooker. We've got 4 windows now in this rear berth, so it's very light, airy, and because the beam's wider we've got more space. Opening portholes of 3 of them, and then another window here. 30 horsepower Yamaha engine, that's the standard. Most of the boats in this sector of the market have the 21. And in here we've got, again, nice large heads, built-in basin, lots of LED lighting, opening porthole, and this large shower with a hanging rail and access into the back of the lazarette. And this has got the big opening in and out, so you can get a nice large tender in here. Also, this doubles up as an option for the free cabin, so this would be another cabin with the opening portholes. You lose the shower here, but the head to the shower in this section here, so it gives you the third full-sized cabin. Having a look down below in the forward cabin here, another new item are these hull windows, which make this cabin really nice and airy, with a nice large V-berth.